Hello and welcome to Learning English Pro. In today's video, we will be exploring English vocabulary relating to architectural details you can find on buildings. Before we begin, make sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. The complete word list for this video is in the description. Let's get started on the lesson. The first word we encounter in our lesson is facade. This word relates to the front exterior of a building, often featuring decorative elements. It is the part of a building which faces the street. Let's move on to our second word, which is roofline. This word describes the outline or shape of the roof as seen from the ground. It is the point where the roof edge meets the property wall. At the roofline, we have the eaves. This describes the part of the roof which overhangs the property wall and provides shelter, protection, and in some cases shade. Our fourth word is gable. The gable is the triangular upper part of a wall at the end of a pitched roof. A pitched roof is one which is pointed or peaked. A balcony is a platform projecting from the wall of a building, usually with a balustrade or railing. They can be most commonly found in apartment buildings. A portico is a covered entrance with a roof supported by columns, often leading to the main entrance of a building. It is found in lots of styles of houses, from classic and modern to Victorian or colonial revival. Our next architectural feature is called a frieze. This is typically found on ancient buildings like temples in Greece and Egypt. It describes a decorative horizontal band, typically found on the exterior wall below the roof. Our seventh word is cornice. A cornice is a decorative molding or projection that crowns the top of a building or wall. Our next feature can be called a pillar or a column. It is a vertical support that holds up part of a building or structure. A column or pillar can be made of stone, wood, or metal. And in lots of cases, it is also a decorative feature. An archway is a curved or pointed opening in a wall, often supporting the structure above it. Archways are one of the most ancient types of architectural design, with earliest examples hailing from the 2nd millennium BC. Our 10th term is windowsill. This is the horizontal base at the bottom of a window opening. Staying with the topic of windows, our next term is sash window. A sash window is a window with two movable panels that slide vertically. A dormer window is a type of window which projects vertically out from a sloping roof. Our next term is yet another type of window called a skylight. It is a type of window set in a roof or ceiling which allows natural light to enter. A parapet is a low protective wall or railing along the edge of a roof, balcony, or terrace. Our next architectural feature is often found on the roof of a church. A steeple is a tall, pointed structure. It symbolically points to heaven as per religious beliefs. A foundation is the solid base that supports the entire building and prevents settling. Our final term for this lesson is gutter. On a building, a gutter is a trough at the edge of the roof to collect and channel rainwater away from the building. And that brings us to the end of this English lesson on architectural features. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Make sure to check out the complete library of vocabulary videos on our channel page. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and remember, keep learning English like a pro.